baking soda. Morning, Mama. Morning, Mom.
Good morning, Oliver and Lukey.
Do you have any eggs for breakfast?
I don't have any eggs for breakfast, but how about we do experiments with eggs today?
Yeah! We better change into our lab coats. Now, pop. I'm a mad scientist. You're Black Panther. You're Black Panther. I'm a mad scientist. The first experiment is the vinegar and eggs experiment. So what we need is an egg and soda. First we need a cup. Thank you. Second we need the egg in the cup. Thank you, Oliver. Then we need to fill the cup with vinegar. Oh, so wet. Then we have to leave it to sit overnight. That's it. It has been 24 hours and we came back right in the morning and the egg is all fizzy. Look at this. Now have a look. I feel the egg's softness. And now I'm going to rinse the egg in clean water. Ooh. It's so big. Mix. You need to clean the egg. I'll just move the spoon out and then I'm going to grab the egg. Oh, it's so slippery. Okay. Just need to rinse it a little bit more. Let's see. It's very bouncy. Oh! As a result of the vinegar, the egg membrane is really bouncy. You try now? Okay, you try. Ooh, it's amazing. The egg doesn't break. And blue. Let me show you the membrane. Never fear. My mom made another egg. Pia. Never fear. Oh my god. Oh. Whoa. Okay, look. It's yellow. Okay, now I'm going to describe it. Look how transparent it is. I'm going to show you what it looks like when I flash the light at it. Also purple. It needs to be dark. The egg looks like it's cooked, but it's actually raw inside. Look, you can see the yolk. Get me the lava lamp so I can demonstrate the egg is transparent. Here's a lava lamp. My mom got it. I'm going to get the egg and put it close to it so I can see it's transparent. Okay, it's not glowing. I think we should make the room dark. Mom closed all the curtains and now let's see if this will glow. Oh my god, it's green. I think it's yellow. You can see the yolk moving. Now it turns yellow. Oh, this is so cool. Like a chicken that's still in an egg. Do you see the yolk inside? Now I'm gonna shine my light on the egg. Look how transparent it is. It's all purple. I want to show you how bouncy it is. I would do it from a really far height because last time it broke. Look at this guy. Yeah. Oh, it's leaking. Is it? I'm gonna pop the yolk. Okay. Oh, I'm popping. Never fear. Mom made another egg. Make another egg. Let's bounce it. It's not cracking. I put it up very high. Oh, down. Yeah, down. Good. Oh! Why is it leaking? Can I see? Why is it leaking? Hole in it, I think. Yeah, there's a hole in it. Where? Here. Yeah. Yeah. Bounce it. I'll pack it in. No, I don't want to. Vinegar and baking soda. First we need a beaker. Second we need to pour the vinegar in the beaker. Get in the beaker. Oh, hey, beaker! Third we need baking soda. Baking soda. Fourth we need blue coloring. Hey, what about little ring? Here's the beaker filled with vinegar, and I'm gonna add some food coloring because I like mine to be blue. Yeah, and mine want to be red. Oh, that's so cool. That's changing color. Oh my, this looks so satisfying. It smells. It stinks. Nice! It stinks. Yeah, it smells a little nice. Now I'm going to show you the reaction when I add this baking soda, this vinegar. Whoa! That looks so big! I want it big.
What color do you want it?
Green.
Say green.
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 Green. Ready? Oh. Both are good like. Now I'm going to do baking soda.
Was that good?
Yeah. Yeah. Ooh, last name. That's enough for today. We turned Mom's kitchen upside down. Bye.